You guys have been asking for a guide for how to make your phone look clean and awesome like this. That is exactly what we're here to do today. By the end of this guide, your phone is going to look just like mine. But I'll even show you a few extra tricks in case you want to customize yours in your own way. Also, everything in this guide is going to be free. You don't need to use any paid apps or premium features to get this look. Let's get started with the first and easiest step, getting a clean wallpaper. Not that one. Now the only thing you need to decide for this is what's your style. Do you like more of a photography vibe? Are you into more abstract colors? Or is the anime gaming aesthetic more you? Just think through which of these will be your favorite and we'll go and find that aesthetic for you. Now the best source of wallpapers is definitely my Discord. There's a channel where the community posts their favorite wallpapers and they look fantastic. You can also ask someone in there to help you find one and they will. They're super friendly. Maybe a little too friendly. Link in the description if you want that. But here's a few extra options of websites that curate wallpapers in case you want some extra options. So first is ilikewallpaper.net. This one is a nice place to start because it has a little bit of everything and it sorts them nicely into categories for you. Wallpapercave.com is really nice also. This one feels stronger in gaming and anime, so if that's your vibe, I would recommend this one. And then lastly, pexels.com is really nice if you like photography wallpapers. All right, so step number 2. Now that you've got your wallpaper, let's get you some really clean icons. Now as a tech creator, I swap between iPhone and Android a lot. And a long time ago, I realized that Android custom icons are usually free and iPhone custom icons usually cost money. And I've come to believe the reason is developers think iPhone users are willing to spend more. So they charge for icon packs because they want to make an easy process. But I want to save you guys money. So I sat down and I created my own icon pack from scratch. I uploaded those to my Discord and they're in there for free if you want them. I could probably make some easy cash if I charge for it, but I'd rather just give it to you guys so you don't have to waste your money. Link in the description below if you want that. But if you want a different design or you just want to explore other options, you can literally just Google iPhone icon packs. Just keep in mind the usual price for these is around $5. By the way, I've got a ton more stuff cooking up for you. Huge giveaways, more ways to make your tech look awesome, and a few things probably nobody should ever see. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Now let's get to the important part of actually putting these icons on your home screen. So for this part, I'm going to move over and we're going to hopefully have a screen recording pop up here of my iPhone 14 Pro Max. So first, we're going to go ahead and download whatever icon pack you ended up going with and click Save to Files. And here I'm just going to label it icon pack so I'll be able to find it later. Then open your Files app and tap the zip file once to unzip it. It should take a few seconds to load and then you should be good. And then all your icons will be in this folder. So then from here, go over to the App Store and search for something called Shortcuts. It's this app here. It's made by Apple. Just go ahead and download that. Now, once you've downloaded it, go to your home screen and press on a blank area to enter jiggle mode. Then just drag any app to the right to start a new page. Now, once you have this new page, go to the bottom and click these bunch of dots at the bottom there. Now go ahead and uncheck all the pages except the new page you just made. Now, what this did is it hid all your old icons. The apps all stay on your phone, but we're just hiding them because they don't look great. Now from here, we're going to add back the new custom icons. If you ever want to undo that and bring them back, all you have to do is tap this again and just check them and they come back. So just check all the boxes and they'll be back just where you left them. And then to get rid of them, just uncheck them again. Now let's go ahead and add the new icons. So swipe to the right and search for the Shortcuts app. Go ahead and click the plus in the top right. Then click Open App. Then select an app to open. For an example, we're just going to do Twitter. Now go to this top drop-down menu, click that, and click Add to Home Screen. Now I prefer the icon without the text because I think it looks cleaner, but it's up to you. It's your choice. I'm going to go ahead and delete the text. Go ahead and click on this icon to the left here and click Choose File next. Now go ahead and find the icons we unzipped earlier. Now there's a bunch of icons in here, but you can just search. We'll search for Twitter because that's the one we're replacing. And there we go, we have a Twitter icon. Now go ahead and press add and you have your first custom app on the home screen. Now basically all you want to do is repeat this for as many apps as you want on your home screen. What I did was just pick the 20 apps I use the most and add an icon for those only. To find the other apps, I just swipe down and search for them. But remember, you can go with whatever direction you like, it's your home screen. Once you're done with all your icons, we'll move to the final part, widgets. Now for this, we're just gonna need one more free app. What this app is gonna do is it's gonna create widgets and customize them however you want, even if you want this. So go over to the App Store, search for Widgetsmith, and go ahead and download it. Now I'm going to create a large widget sundial clock because that sounds cool to me. But you can pick whatever widget you want and just follow along. The process is the same either way. So I'm starting by scrolling down and going to add large widget. Now I'm going to go all the way down and select the sundial. Now I click theme and then I click customize theme. Now I'm going to match my theme to the white icons I have so everything looks good and synergistic. But if you have different colored icons, match yours to that. Once you're done, click save and swipe out of the app. Now to add the widget, go ahead and hold and enter jiggle mode again. Click the plus in the top left and scroll down to Widgetsmith. Now swipe over to large, but if you created a different size widget, go with whatever size. Click add widget, drag it into place, and then swipe out of jiggle mode. Now go ahead and hold down on your new widget and click edit widget. Then click on this widget button here and choose the widget you just made. So for me, large 2 for the sundial. And now once you're done, you should have a beautiful home screen that looks like this. Enjoy your new home screen and be sure to brag to your friends that yours is so much more awesome than theirs. To see me cover the 20 best tips and tricks for your iPhone, that video is right here.